are pleased to show you the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, climate control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.